Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Yvonne. Today I am come up with another exciting video, which is, you must have read it from the title itself. Yes, today we have come up with a color food challenge. And now you must have come to know from my talk that we are doing the pink food challenge. You'll remember previously when we were doing the Indo-Chinese challenge and some of you had voted for the color food challenge. I had told you that time that we'll be doing the color food challenges. So today we are doing it, and let's get started with the video now. So now let's get started with the first meal of our day, that's breakfast. So let's start with breakfast. So this is some porridge and I'm adding some strawberry compote to it. So let's see what I make. So I'm going to have my breakfast. So guys, I am got ready to just head out because I have some work. But before that, for evening, I'm planning to make a China grass. It's a milk pudding. So we'll have to make it now so that it sets till evening. So let's head to the kitchen to make it. So now we're going to prepare some China grass. So this is what China grass looks like. It comes like this. And now we're just going to break it into pieces. And I'm going to add all these China grass pieces. They want to float on top. And now I'm going to completely dissolve it. It's here, there are some pieces, so you can see it's here. There are some pieces of this China grass. So we have to just go on stirring it till everything nicely melts in it. So now I've poured it into the molds, but I know it is white, so we're going to do a jugaad to make it pink. Here I have some strawberry compote, so I'm going to add little in each to get a nice pink color. And now I'll mix it up. Just look at it, how it's turning pink. So beautiful pink. And the more I'll mix, the more darker it will become. So now I'll leave it here. This is pink, right? See. And now I'll keep it for setting. Here I mixed it. And now I'm going to keep this for setting. And then we'll eat it. So guys, after breakfast I really got busy with some work. And now it is nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm starving from morning what I had. Today I got up early. Luckily, I was up very early. So I had breakfast very early. After that I was busy. I didn't get time to have anything. And I'm really hungry. So now let's have lunch. And for lunch today, I have decided to make some pink fried rice. So let's see how it turns out. So let's head to the kitchen. Fried rice is ready and it's looking so pink and yummy. Though the capsicum is there and it's green, I won't be eating the capsicum. So now here our pink paneer fried rice is ready. It's looking very tempting and delicious, and when you're hungry anything looks tasty. So let's have it without wasting any more time. I know I'm destroying, like I really liked it. So here's the first bite. I'm removing the capsicum which is looking green as I told you earlier. And here it is, so I've removed it. Just look at it guys. The rice really looks so pink, and this capsicum which is looking greenish, which has now turned slightly pinkish, but still I'm not going to have it. I'm removing it and keeping it on the side. So I'll continue having my meal and then I'll catch you guys. So guys, the lunch was really yummy, and when you're hungry, anything tastes yummy. But really, it was yummy. I did a good job. You can also give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out with you all. Now I'm craving a little bit sweet, so I got this Greek yogurt, and it's a strawberry flavored yogurt. So let's see how it looks from inside. So now let's check out. I hope so it's pink because they say strawberry sometimes and it doesn't be pink. Oh, you just look at it, guys. Just look at it. It's so pink on the inside as well. Thank God it's pink, so we can eat it. But now let's have it. So I'm gonna have this pink yogurt, and I can also see there are something pieces inside this. I hope so there are strawberry pieces. So here, let's eat it. There are strawberry pieces. So now it tastes really yum. So I'll enjoy my dessert. So the Greek yogurt had some kind of jam in it, but not strawberry pieces, but was tasting really yummy. I enjoyed my dessert. Now I'll rest for some time, and then I'll see you all at tea time. So hi guys, welcome back. So now it's tea time, and it's something around 5:30. Yeah, it's 5:30, and we had made the China class in the morning. I told you all before I leaving for some work. So now that China class is settled, and here it is. I'll show it to you all. So here the China grass is settled. So now I'll just run a knife around it and try to release it and see if it comes out like a pudding only. I don't know. I'm just going to try. Okay. This all things don't happen with me properly. Okay. So it's kind of released. Now let's try and run this plate. I don't know. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay, it's coming. Okay. So here it is. The China grass or the milk pudding. So now here is the China grass. So now let's taste and see how it tastes. Okay. The China grass is okay in taste, not very good. Because I remember having it as a child. My mom used to make it when we used to come from school as a tea time snack. That time I think the taste was something very different. Now it's tasting very different. I think it's because of the difference in the brands that I used. So yeah, it's okay. So I'll just finish this because I'm feeling a little hungry, and then I'll catch you guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So now it's something around 7:30. And I'm feeling hungry again because the China grass was not tasting so good, so I did not eat anything more. Though I did not waste it, I gave it to my brother to eat and he liked it. I don't know how. I did not like it anyway. So now I have, for my chutumoto hunger, I got some, so I got a strawberry flavored biscuit and some wafer biscuits. And here is a strawberry milkshake in which I have added some strawberry pieces. So let's open the biscuit and see if it's really pink. Oh, you just look at it. I did not expect this at any cost. Like seriously. Just look at them. They are so pink. Okay, so now we got a good news over here. So let's open this and say this is also pink. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. What I'm getting, I think, just look at it. It usually is white from the inside, but here it is pink. I think today is my lucky day. After having the China grass, I think this will really help me get my taste buds right on track. So here I'm going to have this and I'm enjoying it now. So now I'm feeling a little bit happier after the disappointment from the China grass. But I think it's a problem when I added the compote. Otherwise, I think normally it would taste better. I really do not have any idea on that. But now I'm very happy with this. So let's have it. I'll start with my wafer biscuit. It is so strawberry. I have never tried this total strawberry biscuit. Smelling good with a strong strawberry flavor. Now let's have it. Very creamy. have a milkshake. So very creamy. So now I'm going to enjoy this chotu motu munchies of mine, and then I'll see you all for dinner. So hi guys, welcome back. So now it's dinner time and it's 11 o'clock in the night. I know it's late, but I was full after having my milkshake. I think I was full half with happiness and half with eating that biscuits and that milkshake because it was so pink. So now for dinner I'm going to make some dosas, or rather my mom is going to make some dosas and idlis because I'm not so good at it. So now we'll head to the kitchen to help a little, and then we'll come back to have our dinner. So here our pink dosa and our pink idlis are ready. I feel like I should have used the juice of beetroot instead of the whole beetroot, but then I like eating beetroot, so I put the whole thing. Therefore it's looking like that, the idlis are looking like that. So I'll break and show you all. Just look at it. Just look at the pretty pink color on the inside. It's looking so tempting, guys. And this is the dosa. It's kind of hot. So here's the dosa. They were crispy, but till I come here and sit, till then it became a little bit soft, but they're really nice. Just look at the pink color, guys. So pretty. So now let's do a taste test of it. So now let's start with the idli first. I'll start with a little smaller piece first. The beetroot is not giving a very strong flavor in it, but I won't say there is no flavor of beetroot. There is a little bit flavor of beetroot. So if you're someone who does not like beetroot, you can either use the juice of it if you want to make pink idlis. Otherwise, if you like beetroot like me, this works fine with us. So this is the idlis. Now the dosa. The same goes for the dosa as well. Huh? This. There's a very little taste of beetroot is there. Dinner is very good. Though I'm a little bit tempted to have the chutney that is made with it, but I will not have it because a challenge is a challenge. So I won't have the chutney and I'll enjoy my meal. So now I'll finish my meal and then I'll see you all. So guys, welcome back. So I don't want to end this pink food challenge without a dessert, so I'll end on a sweet note. So for our dessert today, I have some rice kheer over here, but it's white in color. So I'm going to add some strawberry compote to it to make it pink. So I'll add a little bit. I think this much should be enough. I don't want to make it too sweet. So here our pretty pink rice kheer is ready. So now let's have it. So I'm going to have it. Very yummy. So I'll finish my kheer and I'll get back to you all. So guys, the kheer was really yummy and creamy and everything. So all thanks and credit goes to my mom to make it. And if you want to know how to make this kheer, I will leave a link of her channel in my description box of the kheer. She has already made it and put it up on her channel, so you can check it out and make this yummy creamy kheer at home. And you all also can enjoy it like I already enjoyed it. And with this we come to an end to this pink food challenge for 24 hours. And I really enjoyed doing it, though I was a little bit disappointed with the China grass though. But the biscuits and the wafer biscuits really made up my day and made it up for me for today. All the foods were really nice. If you are not a beetroot lover like me, means I don't love beetroot, but I like beetroot. If you all don't even like it, you all can use the juice of beetroot if you all are planning to make any of the recipes that I showed you all. So using the whole beetroot, and you all will love it. And yeah, with this we come to an end, and I would just like to tell you all, just please do subscribe to my channel and also hit that post notification bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Also guys, please do like my videos. It really motivates me and makes me think and get more creative ideas to get more videos for you all. Also, if you all want to see any color food, specific color food challenge, any color food you all want me to do any challenge, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know how you all like this video. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. This is my handle. Don't forget to follow me there, because I keep on putting sometimes some polls asking you all what videos would you all like to see, because none of you all comment and tell me what you all want. So I ask you all so you all can tell me what videos you all want to see. And I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.